it's like ridiculously quick. Well, since we're replacing this one, it's installed with OEM screws and self-tappers. To install it, now that I've taken the other one off, I'm putting all the OEMs first, all the little 8mm sockets, and it'll line up with the OEM ones under your bumper. And that's about it, honestly. This one fits really well. Lines up pretty perfectly with the OEM holes. You notice I didn't have to modify it or anything.